Nyam to baba, obedi aye nyam baba, yebebo makasha. Nyami, 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 mama. And I had to live in my Hello everyone, my name is Kujo, a beginner keyboardist and a student of Aaron the Priest, and I just want to share my experience so far in learning how to play the keyboard with you. To begin with, previously I was really looking for someone to teach me how to play the keyboard, but I used to go to YouTube, and the videos on YouTube were not helpful to me personally, but I came across his video which was very helpful, and somehow got in contact with him, and upon establishing contact, he decided to teach me how to play the keyboard. And so far, I'll say so far so good. And within a space of 4 months, when I began learning how to play the keyboard, I've learned how to play the 12 keys of the keyboard and all their inversions, basic chords, the basic triads and their inversions, and I've learned a few songs and a few progressions. Now, although I learned how to play the 12 skills in roughly 4 months, it takes years, probably a year or more, to learn how to play these things. But I had time and practicing about 6 hours a day, roughly 6 hours a day. I mastered how to play it. I mean, I can play any song that I hear in any key that it's found in. Example is a Aseda song by No Tribe, played in around 2010 maybe. It was played in A flat. It was played in A flat for the beginning part, but after a little later part of the song where they make the nyami, the song gets a chance to change to A. It modulates to A, and I learned how to modulate from Aaron, even though I'm a beginner. And learning how to modulate basically helps me to be able to hear a song and know where the song modulates and where it doesn't modulate. Another song that modulates is Celine Dion song I'm Alive, which was played in E flat. It's like a 1-6-4-5 progression, but around the ending part of the song, it modulates from E flat to an F major. So far so good. I get the chance so far so good. I get the chance to have 2 lessons with him every single week. And aside that, I could pick my phone and call him and say, "Oh, Aaron, I have this song. I figured out a little bit, but I'm struggling. Can you help me out?" And he would take his time and he would tell me what the progressions are. He would tell me what the progressions are. If he's very busy, when he has time, he will write out the progressions and he'll send it to me. Secondly, from a cost perspective, it's very tailored. You know, it's not like one size for all. You can talk to him, and if he sees the enthusiasm in you wanting to learn how to play the keyboard, that really outweighs any financial gains you might get from it. You know. Secondly, if you want to learn how to play, there's no spoon feeding. I forgot to add that one. He doesn't spoon feed. I don't remember him telling me this is the progression of the song, go play it. It's like, go listen to the song, figure it out, and then come and tell me what you got. And then if you made mistakes, we would take it from there. So there is no spoon feeding from Aaron. I wish I got spoon fed, but no, he didn't spoon feed me. And he also doesn't teach how to play Western music. I mean, worldly music, so we'll call it. He's only interested in gospel songs. So if you send him to show you how to play, say, Mark Anthony or Angel by Shaggy, he will not mind you, or even Adele or Westlife, he will not mind you. But if you bring a gospel song, he's more than ready to help you. Yes, and finally, to conclude, I'll say he's been a very helpful teacher. Without him, I probably would be still stuck playing wrong songs, playing the wrong key. I used to play off key most of the time, but now I do not play off key. If I hear a song and I want to play it, I can sit down and I'll figure it out with a high percentage of accuracy. And if I make mistakes, well, I think it doesn't, that the song, the what I'm playing doesn't go with the song, I could ask him for the correct chords and he would be more than helpful. So yeah, so finally, I'll leave you guys with a lesson he taught me quite recently, and it's the cycle of fourth, where you basically move up the keys, not the keys, but cycle of fourth, where you play the seventh chords of all the major keys, of all the keys in the keyboard, of all the keys in the musical scale. So that's like C major 7, F major 7, B flat major 7, E flat major 7, A flat 7, D flat, G flat, C flat major 7, F flat major 7, A major 7, D major 7, and then this is G major 7. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you guys, join the family and learn from a great teacher. To be quite honest, he's a great teacher. I went to learn bass guitar some time ago. I got taught for, I think it was 2 hours, and I paid like 30 euros and I learned nothing. That's being honest.